Hello everyone, my name is Isaac and this is my Project 5 demonstration for software development for real-time embedded systems. In this project we are gathering and displaying temperature and humidity data from a couple different sources. Our first source is from the Open Weather Map, where we are pulling current and forecasted weather data using their API. And then our second source is using a DHT sensor to collect local temperature and humidity information. This project relies and is based heavily on the ESP8266 weather station project. Here in VS Code, we have a few of our derived requirements from the project description. Go ahead and read through those as needed. For hardware, we are running on an ESP32S3. That is instead of the ESP8266 used in the project documentation and in the guide that we're following. I had some problems with drivers and a bent pin on my ESP8266, so decided just to move to the ESP32. An SSD 1306 OLED display is connected to 3.3 volts, and that's supplied by the ESP32. The display SDA pin is connected to pin 8 of the ESP32, while the SCL pin is connected to pin 9 of the ESP32. These pins 8 and 9 are the default SDA and SCL pins for the ESP32. A DHT11 sensor is connected to the 3.3 volts as well, and the output pin of that connected to the ESP32's pin 1. The core of our code comes from the weather station demo example included in the ESP8266 weather station library. A few minor changes were needed to work with the ESP32, but most of those were related to the environment setup in platform IO and or like related to that SDA SCL pin numbering. Uh, Private information was moved to a secrets header file and then included there. That includes things like the Wi-Fi information and location information. Other than that, the more significant modification was to include a new page to display local DHT sensor readings. So with that, we can go ahead and upload and then kind of walk through what we're seeing from our data. All right, so after it initializes, our first screen is the current time and date information. That cycles through to our current uh, temperature and weather conditions from Open Weather Map. The next is a 3-day forecast, again provided by Open Weather Map. And then our fourth page is that DHT temperature and humidity data that we're collecting locally. The program will continuously cycle through these pages with weather data updated every 20 minutes and DHT sensor data updated every 1 second. With that, that's my Project 5 demonstration. Thank you for watching.